因来咱总统赖清德和副总统萧美琴昨昏是接见立陶宛的前总统。另外，中国解放军有宣布讲，伫拄则7点对外宣布，今仔日和明仔2天，因要伫台海进行军演，是要来挺解一台独的势力。面对台海局势，即马有较紧张，美国是呼吁中国唔通趁机会嗲乱。美国的国务卿布林肯嘛有强调讲，美国会继续和各国来继续维持台海的和平和稳定。
立陶宛前总统戈保斯凯德9个月来第2摆访问台湾，总共来祝贺总统赖清德跟副总统萧美琴就职。
Smaller countries which are living in neighborhood of large ones, sometimes not very friendly. We know how to survive. We know how to be and become resilient, and we know how to fight for ourselves. This we can learn from each other. We can exchange our experiences, and we can support each other.
其实台湾甲立陶宛处境同款，拢拄着歹势边。拄下任的前总统蔡英文头一个行程也是会见戈保斯凯德，两人伫蔡英文下任办公室排前来翕相，希望台湾甲立陶宛的友谊永久。因来21几天，国防部佫查到7架自强舰、4架次中共海警船伫台海周边活动，这是国防部头一摆公布海警船动态。赖清德总统上任，台海情况敏感，美国国防部督促中方卖借机会和情势清悬。
We've urged the PRC not to use the election as a pretext for escalation. We've seen them used increased naval activity as a pressure tactic to include in the South China Sea. We remain concerned about those kinds of activities. We've raised that directly with the PRC.
We've brought countries around the world together to stand up for maintaining peace and stability across the Taiwan Strait. To make sure that China does not engage in any unilateral actions that change the status quo.
美国国务卿布林肯是强调，美方继续团结各国，维护台海和平甲稳定。然后副国务卿坎贝尔甲意大利外交部秘书长会面时，就参详印太事务，认同维持台海甲南海和平稳定是美国甲意大利共同优先的事务。记者综合报道。